Intel is launching some pop-up AI experience stores all around the world: New York, London, Paris, Munich, even Seoul, to showcase AI-powered PCs. Visitors can try laptops from major brands and see Intel's upcoming Panther Lake processors in action. Much focus is on gaming, while Seoul highlights AI applications in Asian, non-English language in particular.
Hmm.
The stores aim to boost brand visibility and demonstrate AI features and generate excitement ahead of Intel's next generation PC launch. I guess these experiences are all about helping their partners get out and get the idea that an AI PC is what you want. Jim, do you want an AI PC?
Uh, no, not particularly. Frankly, I can. My first question is, how do I turn it off? Probably, but just my as a creator, that's just my personal opinion. But seriously, the interesting thing about Intel is, you think they're well, they make chips, right? But the thing that was caught my attention was in Seoul, they actually are doing a Gangnam style type of rollout, kind of to draw in perhaps a younger crowd or, just even maybe being a little glitchy, if you will. But it was really interesting that Intel is starting to put Panther Lake in action. From everything I've read about them, it's an intriguing idea in terms of being able to utilize what we typically think of as crucial for AI, but there may be other types of applications that may well run extremely well, as you mentioned, gaming especially, right? But we really don't know what the next generation of AI beyond generative and agentic will bring, right? You may be seeing people doing much more interesting types of open source experiments or even I recall when the Planetary Society had people use their laptops, screensavers to, hone through data to look for, if I remember correctly, lunar samples, or even they were some cosmic samples and things like that. So, it's very interesting to see where all this is going to definitely head towards. And the other part of Intel that I always found fascinating, recently, I think within the past 15 months or so, they were at one of our Tech Field Day events, and they were basically saying, you don't necessarily need a GPU to do a lot of the modeling that people are trying to do. So even though the GPU-like features of Panther Lake might be really good for gaming or for visualization or for other things, a lot of times with smaller numbers of dimensions, of attributes, of features that you need for a typical model, for a lower powered model, they may be just fine. So it's an interesting idea that we see coming forward with that. Should be interesting to see what that brings, even for people like me who are not particularly AI driven. Um, just my own perspective.